Hey guys, it's me Steffi, and today I am back with a new video in 2028. It's been a while since I made a new video. I know it's been a few years, but I am bringing a fun and fresh new vibe to this channel. I'm going to be doing hair, vlogs, cooking, tutorials, all that. I'm still going to be doing makeup, but just not only makeup. I've kind of strayed from makeup as the years went on. That's why I stopped my makeup channel. I felt like makeup really wasn't for me, but I'm starting to get back into makeup again. But there just be different aspects to my channel now. I will try to post as much as I can, and then when I get the hang of it, I'm gonna be having like a real schedule of when I'm gonna post, like saying like every Tuesday and Thursday and things like that. As you can tell by the title, today is a hair review with Alipearl hair. This is a pre-made wig from Alipearl. It is a body wave wig that goes up to 20 inches and it stops at the bottom of my back, or the bottom of my butt-ish. I did wash this wig in the video, so it got a little lighter than original the color it was. If you guys want to see how I customized this wig and got this result, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to reconstruct this wig. This is a Alipearl wig, which goes from 18 to 20 inches long. This hair is pretty long. It goes right up to the top of my butt, and it's a pretty good wig. I bleached this wig and dyed it this blue violet color. I did not pluck this lace too much when I first got it. It was pre-plucked. It looked pretty good to me, but now that my plucking skills have advanced, I'm going to be plucking this wig more and popping a middle part into this wig. So we're gonna start off with washing the dirty lace, and I'll get back to you guys. Hey y'all, I'm back and she is washed, and you can see slight curls coming in there, and the lace is clean. This is brown filled with makeup because I don't bleach my laces. Bleach my knots, sorry. I don't bleach my knots, so I just put the foundation on the lace. Alright, so here is the hair, and I'm going to be combing it all backward. I didn't even notice that the hair has a little streak. It's pretty cute. Seeing the light, it's blue.
Open up, tell you out for fall. Let your emotion fall on me. Open up, open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tell you out for fall. Let your emotion fall on me. Open up, open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and communication. Open up, need to breathe, our conversation got me contemplation over our situation. Open up, you OPN. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up.
Here's the finished product of my cornrows. Now that I'm done with my cornrows, I'm going to be going in with a blow dryer to finish drying my hair, because when I was cornrolling, it did not finish drying.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot,
Now spraying a heat protectant on my hair, I will show a picture of the product because I forgot to show in the video.
you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya.
Here what I'm doing is using this She Is Bomb Collection hair wax stick and applying that to the front of my wig so that I can go in with a hot comb and really get that sleek look on the wig. This really gives that natural scalp look to the wig.
Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging.
Here I started parting the hair down the middle, but then I realized I should do it on my head to see exactly where down the middle is. So after this I placed it on my head and I went from there.
Smoking up, make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate the way she's approaching us.
This was my first time using my wig head, and you can see how dirty it got after one use. Crazy. Here I am placing the wig on my head carefully so that I can place the clips in and secure it nice and tight, because I am doing the glueless method today, which involves glue but not exactly. So you really need your wig secured just to do that method. Now I'm parting the hair down the middle based on my head, and I'm going in with some tweezers in the part to remove some hair from the part so it can give that natural look. I feel like that's what really gives the lace that natural look, just going in and removing some hair so it can give that. Taking my hair wax stick, I'm going to be applying it to the hair around the part so that it really flattens out when I go in with my hot comb and give that natural look, really flat at the top and really look nice and sleek.
Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN, take the hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot.
Now that I'm done parting the hair, I am going to go with some Got2b glue and some freeze spray and slick down my edges so that it's not in the way whenever I do install the wig.
Open up, open up, open.
Now that the wig is off my head, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 370 and applying some foundation onto the lace lightly so that it gives that natural skin look and can really blend into my scalp. Placing the wig back on my head and securing the clips tightly. I'm also going to be adjusting it to the perfect spot down the middle. Now it's time to install. We're going to flip the lace back and go in with some Got2b free spray and just spray along your edges that should be slicked back so that they don't get caught in the fire. And going in with a blow dryer and drying it lightly on cool.
Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN, take the hot road and hop in. First impression.
Now that the free spray is a bit dry and tacky, I'm going to flip the lace down and secure it in the right spot.
The doors open. Take the high road and hop in.
Because the free spray was tacky when we flipped down the lace, we're going to be taking the blow dryer and completely drying the free spray into the correct spot.
The doors open. Take the high road and hop in.
What I'm doing here is applying more free spray to the lace so that it gives that natural look whenever I do comb it out. As you can see here, I comb through the hair while this free spray is drying so that it can be secured.
She's inappropriate, the way she's approaching us. I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up.
Now, here I am cutting the lace because I did not realize how much lace I left on the wig when I first installed it. So I'm cutting off the excess lace so that it can really be close to the hairline on the wig and look, you know, natural, because that's the goal, obviously.
Open up, tell you out for let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up.
Now going in with my Got2b spray to really secure the excess lace that was left after I finished cutting. Using a small blending brush, I'm gonna add some powder bronzer onto my lace so it can give that natural skin look. Now onto styling the wig. I'm going in with my hot comb first, and then we're gonna go onto flat ironing the wig to get it bone straight.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya.
I flat ironed the rest of my wig off camera, and now I'm pulling out some small hairs to create my baby hairs. I am going to cut these hairs and then lay them down with Got2b mousse that I'll insert a picture for. And I believe this part is self-explanatory, so just keep on watching.
OPN, hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, OPN, OPN.
Here's the final look. I love this look, and if you guys love it too, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media handles, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.